Hi everyone, Connor here from Team Blockdaemon, and today we are presenting a tutorial designed to show you the process of setting up staking policies within the Blockdaemon institutional wallet. To begin the process, first access your Blockdaemon institutional wallet. To create staking policies in the Blockdaemon wallet, first navigate to the settings field on the left-hand menu within the wallet. You will then be presented with a menu of options at the top. Please select policies. You then have two options, transfer and stake. Select stake. Now click the edit button in the right hand corner. You will now see an add policy box in the top right hand corner. Click this button. Before we dive into policy creation, it's crucial to understand the level column. The level column serves a critical function. It sets the priority order for your staking policies, particularly when it comes to multiple policies that might overlap. For instance, you may have one policy for staking any amount of ETH and another for staking amounts greater than 10 ETH. In such cases, the level helps the system decide which policy takes precedence. Now, you might wonder how to set or change these levels. Well, it's straightforward. You'll see an icon on the far left of each policy. Simply drag and drop the policies using this icon to reorder them accordingly to your desired priority. This drag and drop functionality allows for quick adjustments, ensuring that the most important policies are executed first. You are now presented with the configuration settings for the policy that you are setting up. These rules are broken down as follows. Triggered by. This refers to the user who initiated the operation. More specifically, it refers to the group assignment of that user. Applying different policies to operations is possible depending on who initiated that operation. Source. This refers to the account from which the staking asset is coming from. This could be any account, meaning any address created and governed by the wallet. Fee recipient. This refers to the designated account or wallet address that receives any fees or rewards generated from the staking process. Greater than amount. This area specifies the minimum amount staked or requested to be staked. Any stake with an amount more significant than this will qualify the staking request to be subject to this policy rule. Assets. This can be specified individually as a group of available assets or as all assets. Staking only supports ETH as of now. Action type. In this field, you can choose Allow, which means no further approval is needed, or Blocked, indicating the operation will be denied and won't proceed. And finally, Require Approval, which will open up more choices if selected. Withdrawal to. This refers to the destination wallet address where you intend to send or transfer your assets after you decide to unstake them. Once your policy is now all configured, you can click the purple Apply Changes button on the right-hand side of the screen. You will now be presented with a Submit button in the bottom right-hand corner. Click this to confirm your staking policy. You are now returned to the Policies section in the Blockdaemon wallet. You will now see a notification under the Stake section stating Policy Change in Progress, pending confirmation. You will now receive a notification within the Approver app on your phone. The notification will show you the details to the Change Policy field. Ensure that you are happy with them all and that they match the details that you entered within the Policies section in your wallet. Then tap Confirm and enter your PIN. You will then be presented with a screen notifying you of Change Policy Confirmed. And that's it. You're now equipped to edit policies within the Blockdaemon wallet, fully understanding the process from start to finish. Remember to check back on Blockdaemon's YouTube channel for more tutorials and insights into the world of blockchain. Until then, we wish you a successful and rewarding staking journey.